Hello, viewers. I earned a PhD in engineering in the United States and have had the privilege of working for 3 world-class companies in Silicon Valley after successfully passing their rigorous hiring processes. Additionally, I have experience working for 2 major U.S. companies outside of Silicon Valley. Altogether, I've successfully navigated interviews at 5 major U.S. corporations. I've created this video based on my practical experience. Today's video is the first lecture in the series. In this lecture, we'll go through the hiring process of major U.S. companies from start to finish, covering every stage from job postings to final acceptance. This will be incredibly helpful for anyone dreaming of landing a job in the U.S. Shall we get started? Step 1. Job posting. Major U.S. companies usually post job openings on their official websites and platforms like LinkedIn. These postings include detailed job descriptions, required qualifications, responsibilities, and salary information. If you find a position that interests you, it's important to apply quickly. Step 2. Online application. After reviewing a job posting, applicants access the company's application system to upload their resumes and cover letters. Depending on the company, you may also need to answer additional questions or submit a portfolio or references. Step 3. Initial screening. The HR team reviews your application to see if you meet the basic requirements. In this stage, companies often use an applicant tracking system, ATS, to filter resumes. Strategically incorporating keywords into your resume is critical to passing this step. Step 4. Phone interview. If you pass the initial screening, you'll have a phone interview with an HR representative or hiring manager. This interview assesses your experience, skills, fit for the company, and basic communication skills. It typically lasts 20-30 minutes. Step 5. Technical assessment or assignment. For technical roles, you may be asked to complete coding tests, technical assignments, or situational problem-solving tasks. Non-technical roles might require situational judgment, tests, or business case studies. This step evaluates your practical skills and ability to perform the job. Step 6. Interviews. The main interview process usually consists of multiple rounds. 1. First round, a detailed interview with the hiring manager to evaluate job and team fit. 2. Second round, a panel interview with team members to assess collaboration skills. 3. Final round, an executive-level interview to determine alignment with the company's culture and strategic goals. Step 7. Background check and reference check. If you're selected as a finalist, HR will verify your work history, educational background, and conduct a background check. They will also contact your references to validate your qualifications. Step 8. Offer letter. Successful candidates receive an official offer letter detailing salary, benefits, and work conditions. You'll then review the offer and decide whether to accept or negotiate. Step 9. Onboarding. After accepting the offer, the company initiates the onboarding process. This includes introducing company policies and tools, collecting necessary documents, and officially integrating you into the team. We've just gone through the hiring process at major U.S. companies. There are many steps to prepare for, but with thorough preparation, I'm confident you can achieve great results. This concludes our first lecture. In the second lecture, we'll dive into job posting analysis to learn how to search for your ideal job in the U.S. The next lecture is part of this video series, so click on episode 2 to continue. For this journey, I'll be using tools like ChatGPT Plus, which I subscribed to at $20 per month at the time of creating this video. LinkedIn Premium membership is also a good option, but not mandatory. With these resources, you'll be well prepared. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.